Prakshit Tripathi.
Yes, sir.
Prakshit, tell me about yourself.
Thank you, sir. My name is Prakshi Tripathi. I am from Raebareli. I have completed my graduation from Prayagraj State University. Currently, I am preparing for civil service exam and also work on my communication skill. Apart from this, in my free time, I recently start reading, watching English podcast. That's all about me.
Where are you from?
I am from Raebareli.
You're from Raebareli. Okay, tell me five things that you don't like from Raebareli.
Okay, sir. Firstly, infrastructure because there is no proper road, and second one is there is no education hub because there is no coaching. There is no coaching for competitive exam. Third thing is sir, there is no strong traffic rules, and fourth thing is there is no coaching for skill development. And last thing I don't like about my city is that's all about
You
sir.
have done graduation. In
Yes,
graduation, you
sir.
have completed BCom.
Yes, sir.
Okay, who is your favorite teacher?
Sir, my favorite teacher is Sivam sir in my school days.
Okay, so what have you learned from him?
Sir, I learned from him. Sir, he always support me in my study, and also he motivates me when if I weak in any subject. He always motivates me.
Okay, and what about your family background? How many
Sir,
members are there in your family?
sir, in my family there are 10 members. I live in joint family.
Mhm. Your hobbies are reading books
Yes, sir.
and some or things. Watching English videos. In
Yes, sir.
English video, what sort of video do you like to watch?
Sir, I like English podcast like given by Priyanka Chopra, and then I like.
Okay, reading books. Recently, what book have you read?
Sir, I recently read it by Chetan Bhagat as 11 Rules of Life.
Okay. So, what have you learned from the book?
So I learned from this book how to manage, how to work on yourself, like discipline, work on your skill development, your fitness, and that's all about.
Okay. So, you have just written your key skills, communication skills, and time management. How do you manage your time?
Sir, I make a proper schedule and I do work according to my schedule.
So, what about tomorrow schedule?
Sir, I woke up early in the morning. Then I revise my notes. Then I get ready for coaching. Then I will get ready for coaching. Then I will come to coaching, and then I will go to my room, and then I will make food, and then also I will take rest and I will study.
You want to be the part of civil service.
Yes, sir.
So, why have you decided to join civil services?
So because I love to contribute to my country. That's why I join.
But there are many methods by that you can contribute something to your country. So, why only civil services?
So because I have interested on related to politics and history. I love to read this type of thing. So
So, this is the reason.
yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, tell me about your best friend.
So my best friend name is Trisha Singh. We met in hostel, and she became my good friend. And she is not lived that time, and we spent time together a lot. And she helped me in my bad days. That's
Okay, what she has learned from you?
she firstly earlier she is very angry, but after meeting me, and she became a calm girl.
Okay, now she has learned to you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, how your hobby is beneficial to get your goal?
Okay, sure.
Your hobby is reading books, dancing, watching English, meditation as well.
Yes, sir.
So, how it is helpful for your getting goal?
Sir, like a UPSC exam, it's very long-term process. In this days, we feel very low sometimes, and sometimes we very energetic. And meditation helped me to calm every day. So, and also for cracking interview, communication is also important there. So also communication helped me for.
Okay. Is there any story behind you want to be civil services? When you came to know you were born for civil services?
So I when I study a syllabus, then I interest on
So
subject.
what you read by that you got interest?
So firstly I start reading NCRT book. Then I get interested related to our politics, our history background, or our economics. So I get interested. Then I decide to I work on this.
So what is meaning of hobby?
So hobby means where which is I get interested doing something.
Okay. And what is meaning of interest?
The same.
Both are
as a-
same.
yes,
Okay.
same.
What is meaning of success according to you?
Sir, according to me, success is when we take responsibility of our family, and also we get financially independent. That is the meaning of success.
This is meaning of success. And what is meaning of failure?
Failure means when I stop doing things for our goal, and failure means.
Okay. What have you learned by COVID?
Okay, sir. From COVID, I learned education is very important for women, because that time many women lost their husband or their family member. So I realized education is more important for women.
And what is meaning of what is strength according to you?
Sir, my strength.
Yes.
Sir, my strength is I am willing to learn new things, and also I calm in difficult situations.
What is the biggest fear?
Sir, communication in front of everyone, and second one is my weakness is overthinking. I
Overthinking.
overthink a lot.
Okay. How do you handle pressure?
Sir, I firstly I calm and take some time, and then I decide something about.
Okay. You want to become a civil service. So tell me 5 good quality of a civil service.
Okay, so first one is discipline, and second one is think about others, and third one is be punctual, and always take always use time properly, and fourth thing is
Suppose you are going to face interview and they are asking to you what post would you like to get and why?
so I want to get a IAS officer, because I don't like IPS.
You don't like IPS?
No, sir.
Okay. What is the difference between IS and PCS? IS and PCS.
Sir, IAS is higher authority as comparison to PCS.
And what about the work different?
I don't know.
Okay. Tell me importance of festival.
Sir, festivals. Okay. So importance of festival is our festival is that day where everyone get together. Every family get together and enjoy the day and spend time together and fun together.
Okay. Tell me one thing. After being an IS officer, where you want to get your first posting?
Sir, I want to get my first posting. Sir, I don't think about this.
You haven't thought on this topic yet.
No, sir.
Okay. So suppose if you have chance to get a posting, so where you want? You know any idea? Nearby your home district or somewhere
No,
else?
sir. Somewhere else.
Somewhere else. Okay.
Yes, sir.
What is more important to you, service or money?
So according to me, service is more important, because there I serve our personality and how to manage everything. So according to me, service is more important than money.
Okay, fine. So tell me one thing. Suppose there is one condition for you. Suppose from your family someone has done any sort of crime. So on this situation, how would you handle the condition? Whom will you support? You will support to your job, or you will support the family member?
Sir, I support the job because
It does mean you will take action against your family member.
sir, is based on the crime. Firstly I understand him or her what she do, and if she is ready to convince she is not doing in future, so I will support us.
You will support it. You will try to take out from the
No, sir,
problem.
I give punishment on person, but depend on she is doing again or not.
Okay. Tell me five top headlines of today newspaper.
I'm not.
Hmm?
Sir, I'm
You
not.
you are the student of UPSC.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, how can you just describe your favorite color?
Sir, my favorite color is blue because it represents the sky. It means endless growth, and also it is very peace and calm color.
Mhm. And what is the color of your outfit?
Sir, my color of outfit is light pink color.
Light pink color. Okay. Would you tell me something about your this outfit? Why did you buy this one?
Sir, because this color suits on me,
Mhm.
and also I saw first time, then I buy.
Okay. What your mother thinks about you?
So my mother thinks in future she get responsibility of mine and my brother, and she is some in future she is very mature and financially independent girl.
Okay. Being an IS officer, if you have chance to take some action, so what sort of action would you like to take?
So firstly I work on education because there is no strong policy on policy making on education, and second one is women's safety.
Okay. Where are you looking yourself after 5 years?
Sir, I look myself after 5 years independent, confident, and successful woman.
Successful woman. Fine. So tell me one thing. Should we make girlfriend or boyfriend?
Sir, it depends on person. If she or he is comfortable and manage their goal while making a girlfriend boyfriend, then it is okay.
Then it is okay. What makes you happy?
So when I go my home and I spend time with my mother and my brother, then make me happy.
Okay. One condition I would like to ask. Suppose you are laying down in your room, and in the morning when you open your eyes, you saw your brother is naked in your room. In this situation, how would you handle the situation?
So, firstly, I know the reason why he is like this, and maybe there is the reason of behind him.
Mm-hmm.
So I talk to him and ask the reason why he is lying like that.
Okay. So, what would you like to teach being a IS officer to your juniors?
Firstly is always obey your parents' words, and second thing is focus on their primary education a lot, and third thing is always be punctual and disciplined towards your goals, which is more important for achieving your goal.
Okay. During the IPS and IS interview, what they provide five posts, huh? Top to bottom. Tell me five posts.
First one is IS,
Mm.
then IFS,
Mm.
IPS, then IFS,
Mm.
and
Okay. Hope so. You also follow the many platform related to social media.
yes, sir.
So, do you think so? Ki social media is trustworthy?
Yes, sir.
How much?
Sir, social media is trustworthy when when a person use properly.
Mm.
If and there is some unwanted content like which is not for childrens, and sometimes it is advantage of social media, sometimes disadvantage also there,
Mm.
and we can use properly our for daily news and education and for watching videos, then it is good for me.
Suppose if any politician, they are just making pressure on you to release some case and you know the person is criminal. So in this session, how would you take action?
Sir, I am not posting this.
Suppose you are IS officer,
Okay.
you are just working on any sort of case and you have got the criminal as well, but any politician, he is making pressure on you to release the person, he is my man. So in this situation, how would you tackle the situation?
So firstly, I convinced a politician and told him she is he or she is the criminal. So if I leave the criminal, maybe something bad happen in future. So firstly, I try to convince him, leave, convince him, give him to the custody and let them.
And suppose they are not listening you, then
So then I take action.
action, it means you don't like your job, because politicians are having much more power, they can fix you in some cases as well.
Sir, then I go for higher. I try to go for higher authority, and then I
And if
told
they also are not listening, then
sir. Then sir, I try to convince him.